Hey guys, welcome back to another fun episode of Learning with Fungloves. Today's Fungloves are green. They are Robin's gloves from Batman and Robin and Teen Titans. Pretty cool. Today we have two things we're gonna unbox and play with. One is this fishing game from Smile Bank, and this other is Woodpecker feeding game from Kagan Farm. Will you help me set this up and play with these? All right, let's do it. Okay, first up is this fishing game by Smile Bank. Let's open it up and see. Ooh, some directions. A green tree. Almost matches my gloves. Ooh, what's this? Oh man, looks like fish. And there's some bees in there. Oh man, that's cool. What do we got next? Oh, we got some tongs. Some red tongs. And, ooh, what are these? Oh, it's a magnetic fishing pole. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, we get two of them. Nice. Let's check out this board game. Whoa. Look at all the sea creatures. Look, and then the beach is on the outside. Looks like the bees go in the middle and the little fishies go on the outside. How cool is that? Let's put this together. All right, let's see here. Man, look at all these guys. We have a pink little bee. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Where should we put the pink one? That's right, in the pink spot. Look at all these colors. We have pink, yellow, looks like a greenish turquoise, a dark green, a maroon, a blue, and an orange. All right, let's see. Here's the light blue bee. Let's put them right where that one is. Let's see. Here's an orange, a reddish orange. Let's put them right here. And, ooh, bright green. Let's put that one right there with the green. And here's a turquoise, little turquoise bee. All right, and then let's see, what colors? This orange is yellow. Let's see, that one or that one? Probably that one, right? And then there's bright yellow. All right, now we can start on our fishies. What colors do we have? We have this orange fishy. We could put them anywhere we want. Here's a pink fishy. A light blue fishy. A little hard to put them on in these gloves. Here's a kind of dark green fishy and a a light green fishy next to the dark green fishy. Let's do a pink over here. Orange. Let's do a light blue. Let's do a light green. And another green. And then a dark green. And finally a light green. So we have our bees, and we have our fishies, and there's a little spot right here that's open. I wonder if that's for the tree. All right, let's get our little tree out. Come on, tree. Come on, tree. Oh man, it's like a little puzzle tree. How cool is that? All All right, let's put that tree in. Here we go. There it is. All right, well, let's try. What should we do first? Should we use the tongs for the bees or the fishing pole for the fishies? Let's do some fishing. Let's do some fishing. That'd be fun. All right. So at the end of this pole, we have a little magnet. See that metal? All right, so let's hover over a fish. Hey, we got one! Light blue. And let's set them to the side. Dark green. Man, this is fun. Light green. Ooh, pink. Orange. Light green. Dark green. All right, let's spin this around. Oh man, that tree just doesn't want to stay, does it? Spin it around. All right, let's go for pink. Orange. Blue. Light green. And dark green. Well, a darker green. There's like 3 different greens. All right, let's spin it back around. All right, we got all of our fishies out. Let's see, how many fishies did we catch? We caught 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 fishies. Oh my gosh, we did really good. That's awesome, guys. All right, we have our tongs. Now, let's pick out some bees. What color should I do first? Let's go with yellow. We gotta be gentle. Picking up by their wings, there's a yellow one. Let's set them off to the side. Let's do red. There's the red one. Put them off to the side. Let's do this orange. There's the orange one. All right, let's do this turquoise one. There's the turquoise bee. And let's do pink. Pink bee. All right, let's do green. Green bee. And then finally, our last bee is light blue. All right. All right, guys, how many bees do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bees. Way to go, good job. All right, guys, well, that was Fishing Game by Smile Bank. I hope you guys liked it. We had some bees with our tongs. We had some fishes with our fishing poles. That was a lot of fun. We learned about colors and counting. That was awesome. Well, let's check out our other game that we have. All right, guys, let's move on to this next game. This woodpecker feeding game by Caden Fan. Oh man, this looks like fun. Looks like some worms that are magnetic. Got like a little woodpecker here. And the babies up top. Looks like you gotta feed the babies. Let's open it up and see. All right, let's open this up. Whoa, it's very colorful. Pretty cool. Oh man, there's a ton of stuff in here. Let's see, there's the tree where I guess the worms go in there. There are the little birdies. We got a pink bird, a blue bird, a yellow bird. Put that right there. Looks like a little vase. Goes right there. Oh, I guess it catches maybe the worms when you feed them. There's our little woodpecker mama. I guess the magnet's right here. Let's see. Yeah, the magnet's right there. Cool. I don't know what these are. Oh, I guess this is part of the tree. So we put the trees here? Is that it? Oh, maybe not. What is that? It looks like it would fit there. Oh, I guess this tree goes here, maybe. That's what it is. That's what it is. The tree goes there. Come on, tree. There you go. All right, this looks pretty cool. Let's see. It looks like the worms go right here. How many holes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means we should have 9 worms. All right. Let's see. We have 1, which is purple. We have, let's do a green, light green, 2. Let's see, let's do pink. Pink, which is 3. And then another purple is 4. Green is 5. Pink, 6. Another purple, 7. A green, 8. And a pink, 9. All right, let's count them again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 worms. And how many birds? 1, 2, 3. All right, so if we have 9 worms and 3 birdies, how many worms does each bird get? That's right, great job, guys. It's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 worms. And then here's the mama bird. All right, so let's feed these birdies. All right, what color should we do first? Let's do pink. All right, mama bird's got, which bird should we feed? Since we got a pink worm, let's go ahead and feed the pink birdie in the mouth. How cool is that? All right, let's feed the bluebird a green worm. Get in there. Oh, they make different sounds. How cool is that? Let's do purple for the yellow. Awesome. All right, let's do another pink for the pink. Let's do this purple for the blue. That's awesome. I love this game. This is really cool. Let's do this green one for the yellow. And then let's go backwards. Let's do green. Or purple for the blue. Oh my goodness, they're making all kinds of noises. And pink. Awesome, we fed all 3 birds. And each bird got 3 worms. Thanks, Mama. Let's put the mama there. Let's turn this around. And look. Then we can pull it out and it collects them. And we can play again. This is awesome. This is a fun, cool game. Well, I hope you guys had fun. This was a lot of fun making these 2 videos. Well, guys, I hope you guys had a lot of fun playing with these 2 games, the fishing game and the woodpecker feeding game. That was a lot of fun. Well, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.